Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ticketmaster not accepting the credit card. So first of all, come here on ticketmaster.com. Afterwards, log into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the My Account option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then click on the option of My Profile. After that, click on the option of Billing Information. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you in your profile and in the billing information tab, where you are going to see all of the payment methods which you have added here, including your credit card. So the first thing that you need to do here is to simply verify your card information. Even a tiny mistake will cause an instant rejection. So you need to check here whether the card number is right. You can check the expiry date, check the CVV code, and check your billing address. The billing address must exactly match your bank records. So this is another important thing that you need to understand. So this is one of the biggest reasons why payment fail. Sometimes the card information is correct, but people add other billing information. So make sure that the billing information that you are added here matches to your bank record. After that, you need to check the available balance and the limits. Many of the payment failures happens because of the bank's restrictions on your credit card. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have enough sufficient balance. Check the daily transaction limits as well, and also check the international payment settings if it is applicable. Banks often block the online transactions automatically. Now, Ticketmaster has strong fraud protection. So if you are using any kind of VPN services or any kind of proxy services, you just have to immediately turn them off. The unusual locations or the IP addresses frequently trigger the payment blocks. So you can just try these methods and see if your credit card is working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.